Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your... Now, the kids are in this because they want to make sure that I put this thing back together when I'm done, because they really like it. Alright, so once you get the bottom bits off, you see one of the intriguing parts of this unit has a timer on it, so it knows exactly what time of month it is, and it comes with a cartridge. A cartridge that can be taken out and interchanged, and probably shouldn't mark the product. And I can see on the inside there, looks like we got the speaker right here. I like that there's only Phillip head screws around the unit. Now, while using this, you communicate with
Dr. Quick Elf and
yeah, that's right, elves and Santa. Now, in doing this, you respond to them, and while most of this is just like a plastic... Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Anyways, it has a plastic housing, and right here it seems like it actually does have a microphone, even though the whole housing looks like a microphone. So pitter patter, let's get